Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to get money in your Twitch account. So if you want to get money in your Twitch account, then you can follow these simple steps. Now I'm going to show you in a different link. So when I open up this, you can see that there are some ways to get money in your Twitch. First thing, you could go and run ads. Now Twitch partners can run ads during the stream and get paid for each and impressive. Now this strategy is most effective for streamers with a high viewership. Next thing, you could also go ahead and accept donations. Now, viewers can donate to streams through a third-party app like DonorBox, PayPal, or cryptocurrencies. But for this, you need to go ahead and set it up. And you could also become a Twitch partner that can run ads during the streams. Next thing, you could get the brand sponsorship. Now, streamers can promote product from the companies in exchange for a one-time free or a proportion of a sale. To attract sponsors, streamers can grow their viewership, network in industries, and attend a video game conference. Likewise, you could go and read out all this information or instructions that they've provided. So this way, you could go and make money in your Twitch account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.